Polly up here in the bedroom that we used to call the purple room. This is the house we moved into. We used to call it the purple room because this room was purple. It was terrible to paint, but I still call it the purple room. You are watching me through the Canon Vixia HF R700 camera, and no, not the Sony FDR X3000. Why? Because I have it and I wanted to use it. This is a kind of like a, I already unboxed it. I already used it, but let me just say this: I got another grill, a barbecue charcoal grill, and here it is. It cost like $20 on Amazon. Very cheap. Kind of flimsy. Well, let's take a look. Like I said, I used it. I did do an unboxing video, which just wasn't cutting it. It's too close. See, I already pulled the handle off. It'll go back on as soon as I get it out. And put the handle back on. Now, here it is, folded up. It's got these legs underneath that open up. It's got a charcoal, ash tray on the bottom, which you see, with those vent holes on the sides. Both sides. It's on both sides, and it's also got the handle here, which I pulled off a little while ago, and it's got these holes here on the top. Now this thing was nice and shiny before I used it. Not as nice and shiny now. It's got a little grill grate that slides out, and right here you see, as soon as I get it in front of the camera, right here you'll see, yes, I did use it. It does have a charcoal grate, and there is that ash pan. Once again, here's a charcoal grate. It'll lift up. Keeps it above the bottom. Very simple. Very cheap. I've been looking at it on Amazon quite a while. I'm kind of intrigued by the way it looks. It's gonna fall apart on me while I'm doing this. But I didn't take the plastic off the charcoal. The ash pan or ash tray, whatever you want to call it. But it doesn't matter. It'll burn off. Talking about this thing, here's some illustrations and stuff. The actual product name is UTTORA BBQ GRILL. This thing, it comes from, a company in Germany is actually the owners. Let's say this. It's a German product, but it's made in China. Here's the features of this grill. It's foldable and portable. Okay, true. It's got a drawer type grill net. Alright. Great subsided design. 12-hole ventilation. And easy to carry. Easy to carry, wouldn't that fall under portable? Model TL372. Now, what did I cook on this last night? I did some chicken, which you're probably seeing right here. I cut up some strips and did the chicken that way. And it was good. I mean, it is what it is. But I love having different types of barbecue grills, and as you can see in this case, yeah, it's kind of, if you look at the box, it says enjoy your life on barbecue. I don't want to be on a barbecue. Hey folks, thank you for watching. Never trust a skinny cook. For some reason, the cannon shut off. But till next time, I'm Paulie.